It is freezing. It is absolutely freezing. Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video. I know, well, it's 2 weeks actually. I'm getting better. If you want to see what I've been up to, then keep on watching. Hi everybody. Oh my word, it is freezing. Let me see what temperature it is in the UK today. So it is currently 2 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. It is blooming cold. So hope everyone's all right. Hope everyone's doing really well. I just thought I would do a quick video to show you what I've been up to the last couple of weeks. So I finished my crochet scarf. I will have to put a picture on here because I have given the person the scarf. So it's one of my patients, and I gave him this scarf and he made me cry because he nearly cried when I gave it to him, which was so lovely. And I have some, let me take a swig of this, sorry. I have some yarn left over. It's paint box. Sorry, I've got a bag full of stuff down here. It is paint box. It's because I've done my caravan. I'll take this one. Paint box, Simply Chunky. And I am currently doing him a matching bobble hat. Sorry, the light in here might be a bit bad. So like, it's to go with the scarf. So he wanted the same colours, which is good because I had all this left over. I didn't actually give him a lot of choice. I was like, you're getting a hat, whether you like it or not. So that, and then some of my other patients saw his scarf and want one. So it's really easy. So I just did Suzette stitch just to make it a little bit more interesting. He didn't want stripes this way, he wanted them that way. So I just made sure it was an even number. I can't even remember how many I chained, but it's really long because I googled the length of scarf and it was something like between 140 and 170 centimetres. So I kind of did it in between that, and then I added some tassels onto the end of it. But some of my other service users saw it and they also now want scarves. So one of my other patients, who I'm a named nurse for, wanted it in Bristol Rovers colours. So where I live, there's 2 football teams in this city. There's Bristol Rovers, which is if you live north of the river, and there's Bristol City if you live south of the river. And there's a massive yeah, kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Competition between the two of them. And I live south of the river. That police helicopter is up again, I swear to God. I'm not even joking. How weird is that? So he wanted Bristol Rovers colours, and I was like, I live south of the river, I can't have these colours in my house, I'm Bristol City. But I went to this amazing little yarn shop in Porthcawl. I think it's called Harris's. They have got a Facebook page, I'll leave the link. But I've done a video of it before, I'll see if I can link the video. It is just really like old school. It's been there for like years and years and years and years. And their yarn prices are really good. So Bristol Rovers colours are like blue and white. So these are £2.30 each. It was cheaper to get it in there. So it's James C. Brett Top Value Chunky. So I've got this one. So this is shade TC17. And then I got a white, which is the same, James C. Brett, and this is TC04. So once I finish that bobble hat, I need to get cracking on this one, and then, I don't know, somebody else might ask me to make that one, so I'm going to be sick of scarves. It is freezing. It is definitely nearly December. End of November. The last couple of weeks, again, my anxiety's been really bad, but I've kind of forced myself to do stuff, and I have decided that I want to move to Svalbard because I watched this lady called Cecilia on YouTube. I'll leave a link below. Honestly, it just fascinates me. So she lives on Svalbard, which is an island close to the North Pole. It is kind of owned by Norway. You can't die there. You can't be born there. because you can't die there because of permafrost, so you can't be buried there. And you can't give birth there planned because they don't have any maternity services. But they're in their polar night. They've just started their polar nights. It's 24 hours of perpetual darkness. But it just looks so cosy. Her in her cabin with her dog Grim and her husband Christopher, who's a chef. Oh, I want their life. But there is polar bears and they have to walk around with suitable protection from polar bears, which is just wild, but it just looks so beautiful. There's like, where her cabin is right on the sea, so there's, it's called a tundra, I think. So there's walruses, whales, polar bears. It's just amazing. So if you want a really cozy snowy vlog, highly recommend you check out her channel. I will link it down below. And the other thing is, somebody on my crochet group contacted me to say I need to look at my phone because all the information is on my phone, to say that they are running, let me find the message, a Conquer Crochet advent calendar. And this person, Karen, hi Karen, is very passionate about people's mental health and mindfulness, and she teaches people how to crochet for like the benefits of mental health as a mental health nurse and somebody who's suffers still from aspects of mental health. When I started Crochet Beginners Group and this channel, it's because I'm very passionate about crochet and mental health, and there is amazing research that shows crafting and mental health go together perfectly, because especially crochet is very mindfulness, if you know what I mean, because you're concentrating on what you're doing and it kind of slows your thoughts down. So the amazing Karen throughout December is running a free advent calendar for crocheters, and each day a new door will open revealing a crochet, wellbeing or Christmas related gift, or all three. So I will pop the link down below so you can join in. I am aware today is Thursday and tomorrow is the 1st of December. I'll pop all the links for her Instagram, for her website and for the advent calendar down below. So if you want to sign up for that, it is completely free. I think I'm going to sign up because I need to do something like that at the moment, because like I said, my anxiety is terrible. I have also got something really super exciting coming in the next couple of weeks that I spent ages on doing. I'm just waiting for something to arrive to check it, and then it can be put out into the big wide world, which I am so excited about. I've been wanting to do this for ages and I finally got round to doing it. So that is very cryptic and not very informational, so I'm looking at my phone just to see if there's any more information I need to tell you. So yeah, go and check out Karen's Instagram. I'll pop it down below, and her website, and get involved in this advent calendar. Like I said, I'm probably going to sign up for it, but I don't think I can do every day because obviously I work and I work shifts, so that kind of gets in the way of being able to do things like regularly every day. Although saying that, I worked a late shift yesterday and I didn't wake up till 11 o'clock this morning. But to be fair, it's because I'm on medication. I'm on amitriptyline, 20 milligrams of amitriptyline, and it makes you really drowsy. So I can't take it until I get home. Forgot to take it. Was doing the old scroll on TikTok, and then it was midnight and I was like, oh, I haven't taken my amitriptyline, so it proper knocked me out last night. So yeah, and I've got to show you my jumper, which is also another thing that I'll be doing soon. Designed by my fair self. It probably doesn't show up very well on here, but it says University of Yarn. So I've got lots of other exciting things coming as well. If you've managed to sit through that and my verbal diarrhea, I appreciate you greatly. Hopefully, oh no, I was going to show you my books quickly. So I have finished Demon Copperhead, loved it, got a bit angry with it because the kid keeps making bad life choices and it was really frustrating me. I'm currently reading Symbiont by Myra Grant. Can't remember if that's the exact name. We'll put a photo here. and that is part of the Parasite trilogy, and it's about tapeworms going to your brain. It is sci-fi, it's not real. And then one of my service users has lent me David Mitchell Unruly, which is about kings, queens, all through the ages, being a bit naughty. So this is my next read. Anyway, my battery's gonna die. Have a lovely day, happy crocheting, and I will see you next week. Peace out.